A Salt Lake County councilwoman calling for policy when it comes to restroom use in county rec center facilities, claiming there isn't a policy. Thanks for joining us for 2 News at 10. I'm Mark Cabell.
And I'm Heidi Hatch. This all comes after a woman voiced some concerns after she says she had run-ins with men in the women's locker room at county-operated pool and fitness center.
Yeah, Ariel Harrison live from Salt Lake County Government Center, where she spoke with councilwoman and also a Utah Pride Center official tonight about all of this. And what are they saying tonight, Ariel?
Well, that councilwoman is Dea Theodore. She said that the woman reached out to her after attempting to get answers and clarification from county staff. Now, Theodore issued a press release explaining some of the woman's experiences in county-operated locker rooms with men. She says there is no clear policy on this and feels we need one.
It's a delicate subject, but I think we're going to have to address it.
Salt Lake County Councilwoman Dea Theodore says she was just as concerned when she heard about Candace Duncan's experiences in a county-owned locker room.
And I came out of the shower nude, just wrapped in a towel, and there was a very large man in the locker room.
Duncan shared this video on Twitter after a second encounter in the same locker room a month later. Councilwoman Theodore's press release states Candace was confronted again by another adult male, this one wearing a skirt and a pink gas mask.
She was actually, she did talk to the staff, and they said that this is something that can happen, and they do not discriminate.
Theodore said Duncan got a similar response from Salt Lake County Mayor Jenny Wilson's office. We reached out and they said Parks and Rec responded, but the answer has left both women unsettled.
It seems like it's up to the rec center to make their own policy, is how they've allowed it to happen. And I don't think that's an actual policy.
Since the topic of gender and restroom use has become a policy issue across the country, we reached out to the Utah Pride Center to ask about this case. They sent us a statement saying in part, there are many ways to be gendered, and cultures all over the world have recognized that. It's time we work together in our society to deconstruct transphobia and eliminate the fear that's based on bias and not on real danger. At the end of the day, Councilwoman Theodore says we need clear guidelines.
We don't have a good policy in place, so we just need to establish something. It's a safety issue. It's scary, it's frightening for individuals who have children that send their children in there to maybe change. Sometimes there's swim teams and young teenagers that go in there by themselves, and we want them to feel safe in our facilities.
Now, Salt Lake County Parks and Rec responded to Duncan's concerns back in December, saying in part, quote, Salt Lake County Parks and Recreation welcomes all our residents and strive to provide a safe environment for everyone. We will continue to work collaboratively with the public, stakeholders to maintain the safety, legal protections, and integrity to everyone who uses the facilities. Now, back to Theodore. She said that she does intend to address these concerns with the council in the upcoming meeting. Reporting live in Salt Lake County, Ariel Harrison, KUTV 2 News.